Good morning and Tashidala to all of you. And today we have Dr. Thungzo Singh Thachula, and he is going to speak on diagnosis of poisoning in Swarikpa. And let me start with his brief about his biodata. Dr. Thungzo Singh Thachula has completed school from TCB School and Kachupa from the Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute from Dharamsala with distinction. Served as lecturer in Tibetan Medical and Astrological Institute for almost 16 years and elected as an executive member in TMAI for almost 16 years and elected as the chairman of CCTM, that is Central Council of Tibetan Medicine, in year 2007 to 2010, and elected as a chairman again in the year 2010 to 2013, and he has participated in the affiliation and recognition of Swarikpa by the Indian government. As a result, it was recognized under the Ayush system of medicine and initiated a fundraising program through establishing FTM member, Friends for Tibetan Medicine member, that is, has been organizing member of second international seminar on Swarikpa in 2012. From the year 2013 April to 2015 February, he worked as a secretary cum working committee member of Central Council of Tibetan Medicine and Astrology, and he has traveled more than 30 foreign countries for the benefit of sick people and for the introduction to the Tibetan medicine, and joined various campaigns for the Tibetan Freedom Cause and helped in the generation of career-oriented students. And presently, he is serving Swarikpa in the capacity of running Thungzo Tibetan and Astro Clinic. Thank you so much, and I will request him to start his talk. Thank you.
개원 따다 리베 소진 대 페베네 다 ngaji ne mina mangbu shuyore so ne ngaji gemgo tamje kembe kuila memba ane chawon tanjin sho ane thana shinge ne gyaga gi sugyun mengi loke ne kewang mangbu shudu ne thana shinge ne soarik begi chale nangen re ne thana shinge tunye chen nabala ane tomar ngar dele shwe da ta ane 주시디 더 반영된 수치와시 수행 디인디전에 자백이 딩의 표현랑 강티샤에 이내 동해전 시계 미나카시 두섬 섬라지던 제단코 때때서 양 간요 이제 다 수시 되어있나 됐게 그제 메트로 섬섬라시. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Actually I prepared this in the Tibetan language, so targeting the maximum number of participants as Tibetans. Since there are some who may not be familiar with the Tibetan language, I will try to add up the important aspects, to make some clarifications. Before going through the given topics, so maybe I would like to add maybe one or two words relating with the discussions which we had yesterday, on the first day. So Tibetan medical system, as you may be aware from the yesterday's deliberations, is a unification of the Greek medicine, Indian medicine, Chinese medicine, and the on-existing Tibetan medicine. Therefore, there are lots of similarities from different school of thoughts, which you will find in this system. Therefore, if you really understand Tibetan medicine well, so you will be able to understand other systems, because the Tibetan scholars do all the essences, most important part of medical system of neighboring countries and incorporate it into the system, making it a very unified and profound system. Especially Ayurveda is most close with respect to theory. Like Panch Mahabhuta, Three Dosh, Sat Dhatus, these are nearly the same except some differences. So going through the main topics, actually poisoning is a very vast topic, so, which is not very easy to give you something very understandable, like facts and figures, which you can carry very easily, unless you have studied well, Today the topic is on the diagnosis. So diagnosis is carried out using these three main means of diagnosis: visual observation, pulse diagnosis, interrogation. So, what is poison? So, according to Tibetan medicine, there were different, not different, is merely the same, you know. Something that hurts you or something that threatens your life can be called a poison, you know. So, we could also call the mental poison for the three afflictive emotions, you know, five afflictive emotions, ignorance. This can be even categorized as a poison. But according to the Tibetan medical text, Mengyushi, four tantras, so there are three main chapters dealing with the poisoning. So I will try to focus according to what text says and what are the means of diagnosis. You see, because modern medicine has developed so fast that even the traditional medical practitioners lose the stand to practice what has been taught in the text. I think there are quite a number of easy methods where we could diagnose poisoning. So this, I think, we will see in the following slide points. Do you follow me? Oh, good. So these are the classifications of the poisoning. Ta tungne gi yewa darwa, tula jadu kuwa ngodang sums, ta shungu gongbadi darre. So compounded poison, food poisoning, and the natural poisons. So these are the three chapters dealing about poisoning in Tibetan medical system. So because of the given time, I will try to go as short as possible so that if we get more free time, so we can, just through the question and answer, we could discuss. So compound poison, the first chapter. Tela thambo chawa ngaja tuge thama chuzana tunge wange jowa nazo che tedi mudik samnya jowa da kanyi sola tuge chebe deps ta di shungu gongba yimare. So especially during the degenerating era, so people for the sake of money, economic development, destroy the environment, pollute the natures, water pollution, air pollution, so bring many organisms that threatens life. So all can be categorized under poisoning. Because nowadays, because not only what has been said only in the medical text, there are many things of poisoning nature that we have to upgrade in a knowledge and could apply. So compound poisoning, because even because of the people's bad intention, or if someone wants to take revenge for somebody else, people deliberately send poison through food or through other means. There are extensive explanations. Poisoning can be sent through sun rays, through the vapors, through the air. So this is the biological war. Sometimes it's not the matter whether you have the army or weapon or not. So if you know the technology, you don't need the number, but this really threatening, Okay. Then the food poisoning, which is the most important thing. In order to keep us healthy, prevent disorders, to cure the sickness, lifestyle and food are the two most important things that we have to be being mindful according to Tibetan medicine. So that is the quotation from text, So two costly factors you should be being mindful: wrong diet, wrong lifestyle. So due to ignorance of food, wrong combination of food, so we get lots of sickness, problems, troubles. If left unnoticed, unaddressed for a longer period of time, that threatens your existence, life. 지단계 맹기 레우 개개바 주도소비 레우나 교회 돌아 남반이 예때 미트바이 도나 샤도 코스. So the food poisoning is explained under two major subjects. So wrong combination of food that cause poisoning and the poisoning through meat. So then nazar de taje shesha to nga zo je longyal ta go wa jida tare thusum yi go ne la tare thibe yong she cha tare thusum yi go ne nga tembe yong so wa thi shi ma che tu go she go re 하바도 다 롱긴데 개죠 롱와 규긴 세나 조람 강 강수 강제 내고 또 받네 개발 롱이 gen시 와차 지지규래 제우 게미시스 슝공바라 와 so most important thing we have to see the costly factors so there is no I think that is the most important thing through which we get the solid answers what could have been the possible possibilities of such problems now in the west you see the amalgam problems they realize in much less time now they avoid this using for the teeth. People suffer a lot, lots of poisoning, through the amalgam, for instance. So this we notice in the much later time. There are some kind of poisonings which you notice immediately. There are some even which effect comes after months and years. There are some kind of way of poisoning through the metals. So the characteristic of poison food. This is according to the 16th chapter of Explanatory Tantra, the second text of Tibetan medicine. Tugden said that Kado Chirotu do Mesek to a Maje Dinda, Magic to Kishing Medagel, Tona Charoke, the Majaga, Kilachina, Toa Tunecux. Type Hapardu Sedu Shua Kazan party down. And the women members are lay away. Suppose someone has a party yesterday and the person tells to you on the next day. You might ask, if you doubt about the poisoning, what kind of food you had yesterday? Whether they are incompatible food that has consumed or not, for instance, So it depends on this, you could analyze easier. If they have some left food, through this also you can analyze. Poison food is characterized by a change in color, smell, and taste. When burnt, the smoke takes the hue of the peacock snake. The tip of the flame swirls to one side and sparks shoot off. If the poison food is seen by a raven, it coughs. If it is seen by a peacock, it becomes accelerated, and if given to a dog, it throws up the food when digestion starts. So, signs of food poisoning include some major symptoms or signs and symptoms. Nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, fever, dehydration. So sometimes just by these mere even prominent symptoms, you may not be able to confirm. Because nowadays, like the poisoning is diagnosed through lab, mainly through the blood test, according to modern medicine, But we analyze through pulse, urine, and some other diagnostic means and cautioning. So, from the food poisoning, the characteristics of poisoned meat, shadu ki thengi de, shala tuyo, mala chamile, pyoshing changer, midu sashing tuk. So how meat looks like if it is poisoned? It remains red in color even after cooking, and it does not stick to hot metal. Number one. Second, the meat expands, and if heated with a chang, the traditional drinks, the steam burns and irritates the eyes. So signs of meat poisoning. Tadi gyu gomba nalo khabdu ro. Mingmi sela debu del po boju. Ladam nawata mibat tebla kezer shevasi gogo khonla kangba temi so da dusre te debu devasi migi gemo chiru soma de gemo devasi shede gorwa. Tadi o de tebla tebs ne tebsi gavasi shede or chidangi tebsa ta gado gorta migwa. Ani temi so ne khomba khyodo gorwa. So losing the clarity of the eyes when signs of meat poisoning, losing the clarity of eyes. So dizziness, one cannot stand still, for instance, So some of the major aspects. Ni chada ta ka she yore da ko shiksa wo dog me. Ta mi jube se du di dirwa, shung na lo gomba na lo she sim ba de. To incompatible foods if you consumed cause poisoning. Ta ngobo mi che changsar shoma la se she yungar ma la ngwa da kim je sham sho da olyon da labu go ya yungar lo ma nya dang go ma dumar so ma labu nam te. Mi che te da nam ngama ma she chima so bam se de so sam henji so ba yi mi che ni wa tam ne nye ba tu. Yana mitre kaze mayin kya makom tumi ngobe juwaka jukabe mashu tani de zami lusung de borim ji tibarche. So incompatible foods or indigestion if left for a long time cause poisoning. So that's quite common in the West also, despite the high development in technologies and hygiene in general. But they have only one side idea about the dietary knowledge. So they say because most of the natural, especially the Tibetan practitioners, when we go to the West and Europe, we try to minimize the raw food, uncooked food. Because nowadays people have very less physical activities, exercises, and if they consumed raw coarse, uncooked food for a longer period of time, this causes indigestion, which is the cause of all the internal disorders. Like let's say in the USA, obesity, heart disorder, cholesterol, these are the number 1, 2, 3 problems, despite what they call a very good health system. So some the signs and symptoms of the poisoning. Teta tsani tala tingna tim, shudo maram mula kuyache. Shadow ngoga midip go na, kapsu luze, tangyap zilosir. Taking combo juga suje na, sixinala kambil susha be. Mutu says to Trump Juxilton. Dona Poatang la Chimbasa, Lungden, Bote, Gogo Chivarden, Konsa Trudan, Tagi Sechuche, Pagan Luju, Gona, Jugaten. She said them, Yodan Sixina, Nazo Neda Jung, Tabarka, Mato Loto, Chodo Mayba, Tajugan when you talk. So therefore it says there will be a complex set of signs and symptoms. So until and unless you diagnose properly, you might make mistake between poison and many other problems. So we have to make the complete diagnosis. So the natural poisoning, so naturally inherent toxic substances found in animals, plants, and other substances. So these are, I think, according to the modern medicine, how they categorize in their own term. So irritant poisons, these produce symptoms of pain in the abdomen, vomiting, purging. So inorganic poisons, like let's say like metallic, arsenic, antimony, mercury, lead, and copper. I think these are some of the also major issues in the West for traditional medicine, for Tibetan medicine, especially for the Ayurveda. So lead poisoning, mercury poisoning. So where we have a tradition of detoxification, but if not done properly, so these are threat for the existence of our systems in the scientific dominant world, which is very important. So let's say because, okay, then from the non-metallic phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, iodine, see, nowadays even many of the paintings, wall paintings, color paintings, any kind of paintings, most of these have poisoning. So if the children just play with this, cause lots of problems and troubles. There are lots of research done on such things. So not necessarily we have to figure something which is written in the ancient text. So we have to be aware about what's going on what are the things which we use that have poison characteristic. Okay. That actual poisoning, if processed well, can be turned into medicine, including the mercury, That the natural poison derived from plants, let's say like Ponganakwa, Aconitum ferox, Nitendukba, Aconitum, Tangdom, Tatura, the plant's origin poisoning characteristic, 아니 다는 다 짝이 나로다 우주대 연애 매니저와 that he gave at the J. Then natural poison derived from animals, like from snake bites, dog bites, insect bites. So these are exactly what has been written in the text, and I just bring according to that context, The 봉아리 ngazuju, the 봉아리 독포가이나 아니 디 내다 가리 용거래. 땡거 좀 매일 당겨와. 제가 맨도 야베 딱딱 두된 제 투마도 제야나 튠 로바 슈슈 당웨이나 내바 수고 교마 교진나 또 딱도 응거요. 다시 이면 짱바 마세베나. 자베 디 짱베기 딱시 되거데. 데라 당보 미규 봉에리 짱바로 송다. 제주 벨라사 서가 계나 또나 카부차 귀나 민소 참바 냠신길 강나나신 랭데 캔라도 포어버지 콤바 동냠체스. 다데 다에 제다 추네 벨기레스 사비아게레스 네 세가게레스 도나고 차게레스 아니 왜 우다 네 참모 용대시 좋아 그 그교 자와네 배 낙tum둠 차대 좋아 네 참바냠대 다 마리로에 아니 강락 믹세 나대다 생대 오야 다니 겐라 도스네 미야 겐라 도데 네 시베가 치다 갑래대 용대 거와 미겐라 도요 네 포와 베데 셰다 배 뚝성 냠베게 네 딘데게 네 나수 타고 당대. So these are the symptoms of aconite poisoning, That dura tangdom rigde darwa ngodi chidangi. Ta chidangi chilo ina tusheshira shi pu lagwa chang tinde shesha wa ina. Ro ka wal semu je la so ba ni nami yong so ra. If the children without knowledge if they touch the plants and this because it could cause also big problems. If not aware of. Therefore, they are, especially in the West, they are very much aware about all those poisonous plants that by rules and regulations cannot grow in the garden or home areas. Okay. So symptoms of tangdom poisoning, datura, tangdom. Tangdom kana tangdom gawo da nabos shera neme lutop kyls. Neme nasu mes o de ta kya shadwa. Nasu yongo ma de ni su bu kyro res pa. Wa wangbo tune minga nazo song. Ta wangbo pa tru de go tunang hallucination there's na ba ka je yo de go. Ani ta thong migli dama da thong ya amjol dama da ko ya. Ro 아니 민나로 나도 통해서 저도 담이다 세보 통해 영어로 아까 말 미교에 되더니 아 영어로 거 마와 첼스도네 계제 강조만 주셔야 돼 녀다 나봐요 좋아 때문에 비메데스 셈 때문에 셈버데 템포메 봐 좋아 소스 셈버 소스 메 왔대 봐시 언제 이 말에 아니 개와 이 말에 비메데 되게 딘데시 이 말에 네, 다 딘데데. 다 까발 배도 있는 남시 장모 샤드는 간에 있는 셈젤라 당좀데 되게 좋아. 직대시는 파자 옆덮게 위에 소리는 절대 레기메로 편제. 딘데 셰데라 파자 쇼게 뇨다가 됐던 거 셈젤 되게 와 가게. Because in Tibet sometimes we give these to even animals, especially during the winter, probably it gives some warming effect or whatever. It's slow, bit pagan nature, flame constitution. So according to, just like last time we have mentioned about 7 constitutions in Ayurveda, it's almost same thing in Tibetan medicine. The constitution is 7. So 3 single, 3 dual, 1 triple. So the pagan constitution is quite slow, Oh, okay. Now it's working. Thank you. That's the session down Taipu to Shewarta. The poison from the session plants and from the hair of the special horse. Session tabu china correcta, Chava Mipa for Kangtanga. Mayo Yamson, Sujashina, session la Rixum Yobatecana, Marsum la Cap, session Mawada, session Nagunilla, Sedu Sergires. Tabu de Tasemabe Pu, Yadu Kondo Sonje, Changur Tune, True Le Soki, Lutu Pe, tapunam puru kyode nangchur sawala pudu seres. Chezang session di ben ngajuge mangchege regduk dunzo session ni chungres she de gorwa. Mixege di ta ko omagi tside shal level soba na tangye shukchim shu yong gor. Ngam portable dinde yo sang lament te churala singshek thambage kashiran nang de gore. Kombo do dinde yong gores. Rwa. Ho dinde yimba. Ta di le na ta pa chondera jire. Ta sep ngangpe pus. Ta sep student pe do na semje mangche top ge chido mangche sha chege chunjun. Ta sep student chuk pe ge ta pe ge chido ne sha ma che ba. De ngangpa student ta do test nga the light brown sort rwa mukbo do test yangash. Ho dinde jire muksel sort ho di pudu zo ta khobal sho dewe gangla ni turgi ro phoba yimbe na di burlu kyube to ne nalo ki system sa de gore sherwa. So regarding this special horse, the male horse, which is little light brown, if the hair goes inside our body, then with the mixture with any sour things, including drinks, so this turn into kind of organisms that eat up our internal systems. Therefore, it is considered as also kind of poisoning. That the rabies, characteristics of mad dog. So sometimes people unknowingly, when there are some rabies problems, kill all the dogs, So we have to see which dog is poisoned, which causes rabies, So these are the characteristic features of the dogs which are mad. 생이 기대long 가주자 가당고 매칭 주마팝 처음이 균도 교인 또다 지금 숨기 세우된샤도. So these are the characteristics of the dog. So natural poison derived from animals. Ki so gyabe tugi ta di dinzo yimbare rwa. So symptoms of rabies. The susin tagla sanyin sadu mane chana zagbata mado mona midu rarion. The rarion is not the younger says, dancing my nando membucha ning go nala changshun che chodan ninganala gaspo melon chudongala hijuche kisu melon chudong kisu dong de sa tulang gebe ta shebe yin sa ta ki tu gebe ta dara yin bare. That jugi to the shedegurwa snake poisoning. I think that is not so common in Tibet, but I think according to the text, I think that has been influenced from the Ashtanga Hridayam. So therefore, I can't identify. There are 4 major snakes explained in the Tibetan commentaries and in the text Gyushi. So I try to bring some photos according to what it says literally in the Tibetan text. But when I look through some research papers, there are 4 major poisonous snakes in India. So in connection with the Ashtanga Hridayam explanations, they have withdrawn. So I also bring them for your information's sake. 다 주도 전기 생이들라 생이 dengajen다 류희다 차고 고대 부시 도와tuk스 다 주 조시 셰바레. So 4 kinds of snakes explained according to Tibetan medical text. 다지당 된소 내다인 바다 다 주기 소자베나 또 these are the symptoms from the snake poisoning. Ruatadi te seudwa unstable mind, loss of confidence, the body twisting, see different colors, swelling, feeling of hot, cardiac pain, wounds turned dark, headache, difficult in opening the eyes. The 4 venomous snakes found in India. So Indian cobra, common krait, so the boy rusli, I guess, yeah. Then soul-scaled viper. Yeah. Romulus White Checker killed them the big four, which are mainly responsible for Indian snake bite mortality. Big fours. That do the Yaga Chishi, that they need to Jalo near par. The Yana, the Drew Mango Shu, the Yaga Sashi Tara record. The four most dangerous snakes in India. There are four. These two and two behind. Rwa. So in Tibetan medical texts, they explain about four major snakes, I guess one of them, I cannot identify it clearly according to the text, explanation. That do you say somebody daro, Tala, Sinzuri, to show some Tambo Data, Susan Jedatir, Rictema, Directobeto, Tabeto, Cheveto, Namasumite, Judu Talatin teacher us. So regarding the symptoms of snake bite, it says according to the Tibetan medical text. So the nature of bite, then kinds, then the intensity of poison, for instance. So it's explained under three major headings. So regarding the bite, first is the licking by snake. Then second is the bite. Third one is the cut or pressed by teeth. Then kinds of poisoning. Tokbetu. Tokbetu means sometimes out of fear, you went to a forest, maybe lots of snakes. So it's dark, maybe no light. Then maybe a kind of branch or some other insect might, maybe you have some unusual sensation, like a beaten, Then you thought you have, so you assume that you are poisoned because doshas and also a positive effect to be shot. But it's not snake bite, you see? So this is categorized as one kind, type. Then tapeto. Second thing is out of fear. Because sometimes, then you are also bitten by snake. Or maybe some insect bite and you have a fear. So also disturb the doshas, dhatus, then brings kind of poisoning effect. This is the second type. And third one is the real poisoning, chebetu, due to bitten by the snake. So it's under 3, it says. Judu tala tende tijedas. So snake poisoning is mainly affecting the blood. So it's just like it's spreading, just like oil put on the paper. And so it's urgent, you have to act immediately. I think that is quite clear there. Symptoms of snake bite, accidental contact with snake will lead to the manifestation of symptom like 1, inflammation, extra. This kind of manifestation has been explained by Charaka as Shankavisha, suspicious poisoning. Causes fever, vomiting, fainting, and even feeling of burning sensation or exhaustion, delusion, and diarrhea manifest because of fearful complex. So here the categories of bites, Acharya Wagbat categorized the bites into 2. So like the Ashtanga Hityam, like a twin sister of Jushi, 4 tantras, very close connections. I think there is a very strong impact from there. So I think the way of explanation is very close as what we see here and in the Jushi. That day now let this ever must need a chesha. Bite into 2, poisonous bite and non-poisonous bite. 두기 소 잡아대 다 두기 해봐대 소 맞잡아 시면 남도게 따고 샤와다 신앙 중대 그 두매봐대 와고 어디 내려지래 that the dry bite type 1 a kind of bite where no or minimal venom is injected it occurs in between 25 to 50% bites these bites occur as matter defense or to give warning signals that do so yadan 들어와 까 관시 호랑수 시에니 파주리 년가 땅에서도 찌찌치기도 와 좋아 these bite occur as matter defense the intention of snake in this situation is basically to escape. 다 그런 표현치도 마셔 봐줘 되는 얘기가 섬섬면도. 세상 까발 먼저 파시 군주 수시 근데 용 되거 봐. 시당 띵가 내가 디 시고야 돼. Hence as a small or no amount of poison will be injected through such bites. 디가블 두 요번에 융융 쇼지만 냥가 요 말아. 다 그런 배 숨겹 지에다 신앙 다랑 강로 와. 다 니버들 바이트 니버들. wet bites. The dry bite and wet bites. So these are the actual poisonous bites. If the victim comes across with a violent snake which is hungry and behind its prey, 두기 슉기 딱 때마 슉 체중기 딱 거래. The intensity of poisoning according to what it says in Tibetan medical text. Dengachen, this is one kind of snake. Dengachen 슉 창나 잡아다. So black bleeding dark blood. Lula simple dose membuge. So feeling as if some organisms are moving in the body. And the enlargement of the glands. And gochi, heaviness of the head. Gochi, manap, chimang, mijega. All right, that is not so loss of like mucus from the nose, and salivation, difficult to opening the eyes, Thick cherinyam se lusa kigujung. So feeling as if the muscle tissues are spreading from the joints. They like a heat and burning sensation in the mind and body, then giving hiccups, diarrhea, heavy diarrhea, cardiac pain, and pain at the backbone. 다 정해 다 다른 이미 미셔다. 그 나라도 그 명다해라. 그런 게 나발 때시네. 주기 빠르다. 천년 잠래. These are just symbolic dispositions. I'm not sure if these are exactly what it says in the text, So according to the name how it appears, So it's just for the sake of the understanding. Could be something like this, Maybe these snakes are not poisonous. I'm not sure. Do luki kita luki was said 그 루키 대화를 도와고 대단히 키 대단히 그 그런 때는 다 리페전 샤워래 루기 차다 루셈 차와케 땅나 림데 루긴 캬버사 so this kind of not this kind of snake could be it looks like according to the how it gives the meaning in Tibetan literal meaning 제가 차다 루셈 차와케 so actually there will be fever in the body and in the mind is difficult, Tada lusim sawagesan. Tana rimde lugin chabasa. The swelling, accumulation of pus, contagious fever, and the fever all over the body, for instance, So I think this kind of bites, shaktambo tada lusim rimshin sawages. The same as sawage the candida, so first day of the bite. So especially the fever in the now time is running. So there is a fever in the body. Okay. So second day more swelling. So on the third day of the bite more pus formation. On the fourth day it will become more contagious, spreading to all over the body. That the Jutaweta. So multicolored snakes, it literally means it could be like that, you know. That talk about dog about. So these are more of cold nature symptoms, you know. People become more pale. That drew Gode Puta was dark, says Dua. Gode Pui Shula, Gundachong. Gode Pu says the Gabgalako delay chick lap shake down to Sangba Rignola lap the Cambe Rignola, Gode Pu shake in the Yongdua. That Kevamdo, Sindu Wukton Kuji, Ing Ser Bunks. So this is very dangerous. So you better say, I can't treat you. It says it's very severe. Short breath, vomiting, cardiac pain. And all the above symptoms of other snakes are also here. That dikbe to Scorpio poisoning. Dikbe to that de la ne reg sashing nala che then reducing so so sashing nala don't mark remote checking baja. So these are maybe spreading quite fast, you know. The symbio to share tambu drile kyudang chubomi jugi shada jiba khajule kebe to jes mo kyang du shi soje chaya changxing shuwa zhong long sin suk che chisin sala che pesin changjam duba du shu da that is it. So different kinds of poisoning of kinds of animal poisons that comprises including snakes, you know, and other insects, you know. And the poisoning nature could be associated with the doshas, you know, humors. The pai du she gyu dua, di ka se che me dua nga ju shong na. 대신 파도 예와 주로 그냥 예매 두젠 판에 찍도 돼. 서진 살아. 당신 쇼아 나스 따디 주로 셰거를 얘기 말해서 생긴 대화 지금 거래. 다 소리 세조 나올라. 판에 개가 건나 집에 신부 마충식 때 대소답다 테마를 집어 집에 두기 민스 딩에 대해서 딱다 되게 아요 삼삼래도 별로 소리 세조 좀 나올래.但我最近新竹的协会呢，但其他嘛种现在忙是吧？pombe ma ro lamchang ma se jo re ta xie ma dong ma bu xue de du stai de ya na lo simbu ma bu chung chung so gen la san so cho de gen yue gra men do nya ga che ge deng san la ba sama li gang bu de gen simbu jong gu do di latest development re ngi jin che de di yin de tu ne nge di men do sam sa re to ba di nam do ra to long long ge che to di cow killers she de ge what is big black and red and hairy all over that would be the cow killer or velvety ant. The cow killer is actually a wingless wasp. That is 아주 더 리조도 시기다 요마다 숙쇼겨 등서 전에 봐도 심주인데 배도 세겨 그런서 깨쇼겨인데 디면도 두세 숙좀 쇼다 요사마 근데 세디 쇼죠 이거但인지미지 둘라네 이면 속 저거 왜 잡아다 개요 말아 봐 디인데 두전에 가시나로 바이 두 스튜전에 다 가르소라 소자리 가발이네 캡겨를 내 당다 민경에 대면서 대화 하시 나올래 세요 거도 이게 견도 쳇도 예 토론지 제 당의 두디다 의주도 내면에 와. 다 소신의 명기 다 개월에 소마신의 두래 다 녀심을 쉬우시와. That's 28 different hidden names for the mercury in Tibetan. The mercury is recognized as the most dangerous poison. Highly standardized and complex purification methods enable the transformation of this liquid poison into the most potent powered medicine. 다 되래. 다 저저 의주 두 법에 내다 다다 맞아봐 임바 이내래. 의주 소비 기름리 임바 이내래. 좋아. 어다 디인데 저제 아다 자이 견쇼 되거래. 아니 로와. 아니 포와. 다 맞아 캐마다 침바 삼을 견용 되디. 다 요내면에 숙시시 되고 그러와. 디인데 저 의주디 쇠니 멜기 개고 규배 갑래 내주 가가데 이나야. 의주야 뜬반에 제 점을랭 당 의주 칼랑디 쇼쇼는데 점을랭 코리 내 되게요. 디 가족이 소기 임바지야. 시에거데 개심으로 예상고도 가능 의주 소사들도 매 야고 차고요래. 그 롱동다 마보고 그 세두기 다 방배기 이자당 가리네 유대버시와. 이나야 의주디 그야 땡용에다 비제 재산디 인생 이런 이슈도 야나로래 벤체에서 겹사버 지나디 의주 비제당 아주 마음바 간데 저 요매 미시 의주 소액이 내버디. 의주다 되어요. 이제 소액 말 소리다 현서. 의주면은 that 두 다다 망고 쉬어다. Sorry, that now these are the very important points. Malamaso, Shima Chuzan cutting to me, if you doubt about the poisoning, so in the very first morning, put some saliva in the clean water. If the saliva stay on the upper layer, upper part, then there's no poisoning. If it's going down, then it's poisoning. You are poisoned, or he is or she is poisoned. Or these, there are two kinds of cots. We say carbon syngenesic. One is fine cots and another is affected by organism. We burn these and put some saliva again. And if it becomes dark, someone is then poisoned. That's the level of you. Pamen rana, Chichu Chance, Chidu to Jazun Dananis, Pamen Radire. So in the horn of this animal, you put the patient's urine and mix with chunks. This is traditional drink. And then stir it with the porcupine feather, I should say, this tube. And if the urine appears like rainbow nature, colored, it appears like that, then it's poisoned. Means, or this is a silver coin in, maybe in the morning you keep this in your mouth, and if the silver turns dark, or if the nature of the silver is turns, then it's a sign of poisoning. If it becomes, the natural color has not retained, Okay. Okay. So, or like Drothic, the part of this round part of the peacock feather, so just roll it in the butter and just bring down through your mouth, and probably next day it could come with stool, or so you wash it, and if the beautiful color has no more there, then it's a kind of poisoning. Zane jamde bomshik donza da ze gyunji la lungda shukzu ge wange za kharak do phabe tyens. So through the pearls, I think it is very difficult if you rely only on the pearls, Yeah. Donza mi gyu gyudoma. So I think because it's not stable on the other hand. Those shasha. That the chudo nagam jao chuna yins. That chudo nagam say pajudi da gang di michu mare tal tu pho kyoge chure yo. So first part of the urine which is not the human urine, but it's the urine of the horse which has been poisoned. Dire. Nagda chebada na tuki cheese. Yeah, if it looks like a spoiled ink, so it is also a sign of death due to poisoning, because in the ink in Tibet we make the ink by burning the seed. It's a natural ink, not the ink which we get from nowadays, Or or if we apply urine on the copper and if it turns dark, it's also a sign of poisoning. Or if we urinate in the steel or in the metal, and if we put some hair and if it get burnt, it's a sign of poisoning. Or these are also cause, which is not affected by organism. We boil this in the water, and after a certain time the vapor will evaporate, condensed. Then we also put some saliva, and if it become dark or get cracked, it's a sign of poisoning. So very complex symptoms, uncertain symptoms, because people have pain on the tooth, resemble like lung disorder, yellow eyes, fever goes up, resemble like pitta or tripa, juga, difficult for digestion, resemble like pagan or phlegm. So pain at the upper back resemble to the blood disorders, like itching, resemble like the serum disorders, and like shivering and fever resemble to like a contagious fever, like vomiting of blood resemble to the complex intestinal disorder, brown phlegm. and become weak, you know, losing the muscle tissues, resemble like someone got caused landlord spirit problems. So all these are mainly due to the wrong food, wrong combination of food poisoning. Okay, I think because of time is running, you know. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Singh Thajo Tungsola. So I think we are little bit running out of time. So I can take only one question, please. Only one question.
No.
단단히 제전다데 당독 디 간네나 모스키토기 단다데 잠물링라 말라리아기 다 딩어 피버기 독당기 시부 간열 첨모 텐여기도 디코로치 შემ머디 니도 삼나단데 단당아서 나저디게 담말라 너네 독디 잠메다 봐 중식이도 단다 MG기 가동니 독 중에기 디지 시선 이디 카독니 마임바 카도파 선타제도 거기디 케미컬 유스하기도 하는 상 나가망아 소이나 디 카독 선타파제도 최 슈켄 디숨기 나서디 천다제기도 디수당 나서 베면나라 배주 당겨래 나서 맨데래 디제네 단다 콘소이 디수마제네 나서디 에시드기 천타 파당도 디 에시드기 나서 수부들라 시보니로도 대전에 둘로니 직 삼모당이 직 강바 단단가서 남망 강바도스나 장 동되기도 장디수 내추럴라 다디수 이셰 셰다 점밤에서 den상 콘속이 더 총기 받다는 스미트 도준에 스미트 존에 데이터도 데 스미트 기가서 수보라 15년 되기도 되는 가서 뉴번에서 통사래도 데 숨기 가서 누구라 찾아야는 디수 마음바나 간데스치나 직 송샤나 소 텐통에서
다베 강기 주어등에 세우셔야 다지당에 나라도 최최 중간에서 봐 뱅가균기 최인기 규르로 되겠는데 그 용거에서 시작이요 말에 그냥 아주 다른 가상에 아주 롱쪽에 응어 하바도 다른 가상 상에 맞아 케미컬 유여버지로 숙제 또 지당에 디디 차상 어디서 나로 숙제 뭐요래 세상 아주 하바도 보충 중 대라고 참 라주 이베 내가 소수 지당다 가고 삼기 말아 대 아주 의때 셉체도 그래 지디 소수 당상나 삼사를 하바도 우 강에 유대교 아스마 프로블럼 유대교도 저다 남상 내용 거 그봐 디마시 소수베 람상 소대교 된조디 고코랑 견슈 좀 요바지 땅에 시고 말고 심죽 땅 식배간에 타고 세우지레스 아니 지당게 다 두장라 소바디 리디 다 간제 말아도 슝나로 셰바 지기 콩지라 바 장샤와나 고 바이투디 나로 샤와나 벤제 마주에 메베소라지도 바이투 스티즈에 고 대시 야단데 나로 남당 녜데 메스 그 소자리 다 하버도 아다 이제 디 두장 디 나로 샤샤나 고 제바 나로 고 따다 휴지게 돼서 말아 고 당다 민디 주룩시 셰요래 주룩데 레레 디디디 인스 게세요 말아 되어 나로 그봐 네 되지 고 야당기 되당 디샤나 인지미 가서 슝 도당샤나 딘데지 가 샤샤나 삼사라 정도 제 샤바다 시멘 있는 샤교도 좀 아주 두레스 샤고 또 샤는 마샤에다 마디에다 개요 마데 배 두대야 장장 쇼샤로라 시민이 너 예 상마기 두레스 랍샤웨나 지당 아주 두다면서에 도마고랑 이와치당디 그 펜바데 두다 너바데 두스 대주시당 지 용거로 왔는데 지금 샤샤나 너베리 용서바데 그 둘샤나 야 마디에 개요 말에 어딘데 펜제달렌 되어봐요 다 뒤에 디메일 선산이 시라 고압슈도 오면도 라이어 삼을 까진체 두지
Tochina, maybe there may be so many questions you all would like to ask. So maybe you can ask him later in free time. Thank you so much. So to do the honor, may I request Amji Chama Tamdinla, personal physician to His Holiness Adila Lama, to offer Khadi shawl and appreciation certificate.